Are you one of those people that loves seeing ads everywhere? Me either. One place I really don't like seeing them is on my lock screen, because I'm here to do work or I'm here to do something creative, and I sit down to my desk, turn on my computer, and then I get all these distractions. Long story short, it's useless ads like this that are just wasting our mental energy. I'm going to show you how to get rid of these, because who cares? This can't be real. I have to switch the camera and show you this. 1 second. It's National Old Rock Day. I don't care. I am done looking at this junk information. Are you ready to get rid of this? I'll show you how. So first things first, we're going to unlock our computer. And from here, we're going to open up our settings by hitting the Windows and I key together. Now we're in our settings. On the left side, we're going to go over to personalization. Brings you up this screen right here. What you're going to look for is lock screen. And then the only thing you have to change is this second setting, lock screen status. Over to the right, the drop down from weather and more. Click none. We're going to see if that took effect by locking our screen again by hitting Windows and L. And they're gone. If I just saved maybe a little bit of your sanity, will you give this video a like and maybe leave a comment letting me know that it helped? Thanks. See ya.